Greetings from SAILADKS. Today's an exciting day. Comes every spring. It's moving day. We're moving GIBRO 9.5 from her winter storage here to the house, and we'll begin recommissioning activities. But today it's just moving day. So we're pulling tarps, hooking up the trailer, and bringing the boat over to the house to get it ready. Hopefully in about 10 days we'll be up on Upper Saranac Lake and getting the boat down to the south end for the start of our 2021 season. So follow along as we begin the process of getting GIBRO 9.5 back in the water. This is the stuff that wrecks marriages. I'm just saying. Okay, so we've gotten GIBRO 9.5 transported here to the home port, and we'll be starting pre-commissioning. So what is it we need to do this year for pre-commissioning? Some years we can basically take the boat out of winter storage and run it, put the engine on and the antenna on the top and go. But last year our steaming light was not completely reliable, so we want to look at that and try and get that going. And also the chain plates. Always good to look at those every couple of years. We had some work done, some machining work done to give a nice new backing plate to our chain plate, so we're going to be doing that. And of course that means we have to seal the deck as well. And then we usually do some light sanding and re-varnishing of the bright work. So those are the kinds of things that we'll be doing over the next couple of weeks. And again, we're at April 24 here. We're going to try and be up and running by the 15th of May. So we've got lots of after work, evening work to do. And this is a great time of year to do it because there's no black flies. So that's it. Don't forget to look us up at SAILADKS.com. So follow along as we continue with moving day. No, stop. Cut. So follow along as we... No, cut. Come on. Okay, here we go. Let's just start over.